Sure. Are you Luke Skywalker? Yeah. Nothing was wrong with our house. So, you know, we kind of looked outside. We didn't see anything really weird. Yeah, that's a sticker car. We got quesadilla. Oh, I made you quesadilla. Mm. Yeah. No. Yeah, sticker car. So fun. Yeah. Hunter, quesadilla. Like quesadilla? Mmm, it's yummy. We're some corn tortilla today. It's yummy, huh? Mmm. Yeah, you got your Tesla car? Are you going vroom, vroom, vroom? Yeah, vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah, cars. We are still working on that pulled pork Caroline made a few days ago. She and Hunter just went to Trader Joe's, and while she was there, she got this hot, crispy habanero peppers for me. It's very delicious, very tasty. It's not super spicy, but the hot.
It is spicy.
Okay, it is.
Oh my gosh, it's really hot.
Okay, well, I mean, it is spicy. Don't get me wrong, but it's not gonna like kill you. But the flavor is really good. It's got that sweet habanero pepper, but kind of this like fried kind of deal going on with olive oil. I'm a big fan. I think this one might be one of my new favorite things from Trader Joe's. You went to Trader Joe's? Yeah. Are you a Jedi? Yes. Are you a Jedi?
Yes. Where did your lightsaber go?
It's a little Jedi boy. It's a little Padawan. It's a little Padawan. You like to close
Oh, you're using the Force? Okay, now you gotta fight all the. You gotta fight against the dark side. Okay. Ready? Here, mommy's gonna battle you. Okay. Shoot.
Hunter said I should go in the massage chair.
Well, mommy can't go in it. Would you like to sit on it with Dad?
Yeah, I'll sit in the massage chair.
Go ahead, you sit on it with Dad. Go ahead.
Oh, you want to push the buttons? You want to push buttons? I see.
Just don't press this one, okay? This one, we need to keep it on, so do not press that one, okay? Everything else, don't press this one. Do not press this, okay? You go, it just said do not press that one. Okay.
It's a little disobedient.
All right. Close, okay. Yeah, those are all the decorations you desperately need to take down.
Yeah, it's February. And we still have this guy. Yeah.
Because we still haven't celebrated Christmas with.
That's true. We still haven't celebrated Christmas with my family.
At least that's the excuse.
That's the excuse, right? We haven't seen them since Thanksgiving, right? If you saw our Christmas vlogs, you know why. COVID. Yeah, we're gonna see him hopefully here in the next couple of weeks. So then we can finally take our Christmas decorations down. Cause you still have some presents. Sure. Are you Luke Skywalker? Yeah, Jedi.
You gotta hold it up, hold it up. Hold it up like a Jedi Knight. There you go. Hold it up. There you go. Wow. You are a true Jedi Knight.
Oh God. Okay.
Once you're ready, you gotta make the bed.
I think we gotta show them Star Wars now.
So today I went to Trader Joe's, and thanks to my lovely friends, I asked them if they had any easy meal prep ideas using Trader Joe's items. And I got so many different suggestions, which is so helpful. I feel like I always get stuck in a rut trying to figure out what to make for dinner. But one of my girlfriends suggested making chicken shawarma rice bowls. So I made some Mediterranean yellow rice here. And you get the color from the turmeric, which is really nice. It smells really good. And Logan and I taste tested it. We thought it was good. Here is, okay, even if you're not an onion lover, I seriously swear by these marinated onions. The recipe's from a blog called No Crumbs Left, and she seriously can convince those who don't like onions into enjoying this marinated onion recipe. Super simple. You just let it sit in like an olive oil and vinegar like dressing for a long period of time, like at least I think it's like 10 to 12 hours, and it just tastes so good with anything. Like great topping for meals like these, bowls, salads. It's really great on salads, any sort of like protein dish. So yeah, we'll assemble this later tonight with the chicken shawarma that's marinating in the fridge.
Hunter's playing with water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the water table. So fun. Yeah. It's been a while since you played outside. So I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a lot of sirens right now around our house. About 10 minutes ago, I was upstairs working. Caroline was downstairs with Hunter. They're about to get the mail, and both of us felt and heard a huge boom. It basically shook our house. I thought it came from downstairs. Caroline thought it came from upstairs. I thought like a car like hit our house or something. Nothing was wrong with our house. So, you know, we kind of looked outside. We didn't see anything really weird. But then we hear all these sirens. And then, yeah, you hear the sirens? Yeah, they go, woo! And then in our kind of, our Facebook group here, for our town, check this out. Somebody posted 3 minutes ago, reported fire, medical emergency, reports of an explosion. And the location they give in the post is near our house. You hear the sirens? Woo! Woo! Baba. Baba. Now they're saying on the Facebook there's a quarter acre is on fire. Yeah, this is your car? Someone else is now saying reported explosion was spread to the brush and surrounding areas, possible 3 patients. I kind of want to get up on a hill near our house, maybe one of these hills, and see if I can see what's going on from up there. Or I'll just stay here with you. So that direction is where people said that this explosion happened, and you can see the smoke kind of rising over there. That's crazy. That's really crazy. I hope no one, well, I saw on Facebook some people were hurt. I mean, I hope they're okay and no one died. Yeah. I kind of want to climb up on that hill and kind of see if I can get a look at it.
Daddy, we gotta eat dinner.
Oh. So early. It's not even 5.
It's almost 5. It's exactly 5.
I just want to run up there real quick.
Daddy. What if an explosion happens here?
It's not gonna happen. It's in the industrial center. Or that industrial center, not Sutherland. Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, hi, yes. You want to do this? Okay, you want to do race cars like we used to? You got chalk? What should we draw?
Car.
Is that a car? Did you draw a car?
Car.
Is that a car? Really?
Car.
What's that?
Cock.
It's a car. And what's that? What is that? Oh, wow, it's really close. Oh, yeah, you hear that siren?
Car.
Is that a car? Is that a car? Police car going down the street right here. Not sure if that's related to the incident or not.
Car.
Car, yeah, are you chalking up the car? No, keep the chalk on the ground, please. I hear a helicopter pretty close. I think that's probably a fire helicopter. Yeah, do you hear that helicopter? Look at the helicopter. You see the helicopter? Yeah, he's a fireman. He's gonna go. Or is that? Yeah, that's the fire. It's an LA County fire. Yeah, see? That helicopter is gonna go help put a fire out. Sometimes firemen, sometimes they ride helicopters. Yeah, helicopter. He's got to go help the people. Or not help the people. He's got to go put the fire out. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, look at that, Hunter. Wow, I mean, he doesn't look that close on the camera, but he is really close. He is basically like right above our street. Yeah, he's putting the fire out. So this is our excitement in the neighborhood for, actually this is the probably most exciting thing that's happened in the neighborhood since Halloween. You saw the helicopter, huh? Yeah, he went up in the sky, yeah. Oh, look, there's a fire truck right there. Look. Fire truck? Yeah, see a fire truck? Yeah. Yeah, they must be going up that way. Yeah, I think that earlier siren we heard, the police was going up to there. Man, I wonder what happened. It's not that hot today, so I don't think it was just kind of a brush fire. It was an explosion. I don't know what it was, if it was maybe the electric company or our power company, Southern California Edison. And the Pacific Gas and Electric up in Northern California, they are rife with problems. What? Oh yeah, you see a helicopter? You see another helicopter? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you see the helicopter? Whoa. Where's it coming from? It's really cool. Oh, it's right above us. Yeah. It was like, it was directly above us. I don't know if the camera caught it. Yeah, and there's another one over there. Watch, Hunter. Watch. He's gonna watch. He's making his first pass. Kind of get a look at what's going on. Then he's gonna circle around, and then I think he's gonna drop his payload. Yeah, the helicopter is right above us, huh? It was really close. Hunter, did we see a helicopter in the sky? Yeah.
How many did you see?
We saw like
3 or 4. Wow.
Are you ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Okay, take those shoes off. Take those shoes off, then we'll eat. So apparently the news is reporting that the explosion was at a movie set. I don't know how confirmed that is, but that's a bit scary. They do movie sets with apparently explosive stuff near our house. Apparently a movie explosion gone wrong, if that's what it is. Yeah. This looks very delicious. We got a chicken bowl with some yellow rice, radish, tomatoes, cucumbers, tzatziki. And what's this white stuff?
That's the garlic spread.
Garlic spread. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're continuing to hear helicopters fly right above our house. These bowls are very delicious. Hunter likes it. Very yummy, huh? Mmm. Mmm. Do you hear the helicopter? It's flying above us. Yeah, they're flying in the sky. They gotta help the people. We got a nice wrap here too. Or nice little. Oh, the vacuum cleaner makes a loud noise. You like that? Yes.
You want Daddy to press it? Press
Should
here.
Daddy press there? Okay, should Daddy do that?
Squeak, says the little rubber ducky.
Because he's a fake duck. All he does is squeak. Real ducks go quack, quack, quack. All right, Hunter, you brush your teeth. Now we're gonna, yeah, good night.
You're saving the kiss for after brush.
The lights, yep, lights. Oh. So Hunter's asleep. The latest on the excitement that happened today is that the fire is now out, thankfully. And that some people are saying that the explosion was at a special effects container from a special effects company that does a lot of flame and explosion effects. So, pillow. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you see him over there? See him dropping the stuff?
Let's start from the beginning. Ready? 10 Little Rubber Ducks by Eric Carle. Chuckity chuckity chuck goes the rubber duck machine.
Yeah.